This shit sound like growth. This shit sound like church. This shit sound like church. Yeah, he did through the wire, this through the fire. Yeah. Let's do it. I'm fighting my demons while fucking this demon. I'm in your city, don't know when I'm leaving. Yeah, look, she got a man, I know that she cheating. But everything viral and that's how I leave it. That's how I leave it. I'm here to win, I'm doing my thing. She got a bag, she doing her thing. Yeah, look, I pray when I die that I get my wings. I just pray when I die that I get my wings. But I don't plan on it. All of my problems I dance on it. Anything I say I'ma stand on it. Give my life to the Lord and his hands on it. Nigga, if they weren't problems, I'm here for it. Niggas dying in the hood for a pair of Jordans, and they not coming home with the manslaughter. Forgive me for my sins. Look, they say what goes around is gon' come around. Shoot them and never come around again. When niggas don't never come around, they tense. And whoever I come around, they win. My bitch said my own niggas hating on me, so she never come around my friends. You can't move me, I'm too deep rooted, and I pray they don't say that was me shooting. Got a son and two daughters, that's three stooges. If they fellin' in life, then that's me losing. Sound like you should be a preacher. Sound like you speaking something. Yeah. I just pray that I'm teaching Shadiq with something. Fighting my demons while fucking this demon. I'm in your city, don't know when I'm leaving. Yeah, look, she got a man, I know that she cheating. But everything viral and that's how I leave it. That's how I leave it. I'm here to win, I'm doing my thing. She got a bag, she doing her thing. Yeah, look, I pray when I die that I get my wings. I just pray when I die that I get my wings.
They calling this swerving cause I ain't perfect. Right through the hood, ain't no hot, but this ain't dirty. Little bitch, get it off the block if she ain't working. She fucking me for that Birkin, that for certain. Ice my chain with the game. Bitch smoke go stain for stain. We keep that fire Luke Kane. Put a skeleton on my wrist, but I didn't leave no remains. From telling you she my bitch, she got $1 billion brain. She outside, we on demon time. I got angel wings on me, I barely made it. Left the Glock inside the demon, let it ride with Satan. It's time to lay and we gon' have to turn off our locations. Fuck patience when you gotta get straight in.
I'm fighting my demons while fucking this demon. I'm in your city, don't know when I'm leaving. Yeah, look, she got a man, I know that she cheating. But everything viral and that's how I leave it. That's how I leave it. I'm here to win, I'm doing my thing. She got a bag, she doing her thing. Yeah, look, I pray when I die that I get my wings. I just pray when I die that I get my wings.
She bout to fly me no hands, cat. She bout to take me no hands, cat. Nigga can't even see me on hands, cat. She bout to fly nigga in this cat. She bout to fly me no way out of here. She bout to fly nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's ash ready to dump my ashes. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gassing. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Chrome heart accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, Rangers gon' empty shit. Big breaking niggas to look at the kid. Dirty to found them, but making the counter up. Bro, get this money like it's my religion. This could be a mad day, a sad day for any of these niggas that try to compare whatever I did. Them niggas touched 100, they just off the gig. They came out the jungle, they kidnapping kid. I trap out a bando, spend 10 on the crib. I look at the ocean, the spot 30 M. Depending where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter where I'm in. I have touch her ass, she gon' think she Korean. You fucking me good, bitch, you helping me win. Niggas can't see me, ain't no competition. 2 million bracelets, no hold on the wrist. I'm never sober, I'm thinking my quit. I pop the E, I can feel with a kid. She fight a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me as ash ready to dump my ashes. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gas it. Came out the gutter and ain't never me to swag it. Secure the bag out a bitch, I'ma bag it. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Chrome heart accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Big breaker nigga to look at the kid. Count up some millions and take some on drugs. Just stuck in my memory, they went showing love. Ain't matching my fly, bitch, you know you a dub. Just started this wave and ain't using no brush. Top take him out and I'm back on the E. Flying commercial, you ain't high as me. Driving the spaceship, the one with the wings. Croak up the trap, I done broke down the key. Ain't let no fuck nigga holding me back. Put a switch on and then little nigga wet.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody is blessed this wonderful morning. Hope everybody had a great night. And yeah, we are here this morning. We got news. We got PPI news. So we starting a little bit early. It's 8:28 right now. So let's get into it. We got less than 2 minutes. Let's try to get through Forex Factory so we look at the charts. All right. Of course, hold on. Thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
I really appreciate you guys. I really do. All right, PPI 830. Actual greater than forecast, good for currency. Great. It's a leading indicator of the consumer inflation. When producers charge more for goods and services, the higher costs are usually passed on to the consumer. So this is calculated inflation, and it'll determine, let's see what we're forecasted. 0.01. Previous was 0.05. All right, so if we're above 0.01, that should be bad. All right, let's get into the charts. Let's do this. We got 1 minute. Let's try to do this as fast as possible. I just wanted to leave these indicators up here from yesterday because, as you could see, all of our targets were slapped. All right, just so you know. Okay, we're breaking lows. We're coming at the lows for the week, so that's good. If news is bad, you should be able to get a big push down. This is a lot of range to fill going down, so hopefully we could break support. We'll see what happens. All right, in a few seconds, market's about to open. Let's run to the 30-minute just so we could take a look at how we're going to open. All right. Let's also take a look at numbers. Assuming they came out. Okay, forecast is 0.01 and the actual is 0.01. The actual for the core PPI is more than the forecast. So let's see. What is this going to do to the charts today? I had a gold selling. I just took it out. So I kept looking back and forth. Of course, we're looking at NAS, guys. Looking at NAS. All right, let's keep doing our analysis. Let's get back to the 4 hour. I want to see a closure below here so we could get some big sells. That would be great. Okay. That would be perfect. We did get a closure the previous hour below this minor support, but So we'll look for a closure below here. And that's another good thing to be on the charts, guys. You see how yesterday we had CPI, right? And CPI manages inflation or calculates inflation. Okay, so I'm starting to see the difference. CPI calculates the overall inflation, consumer by companies, the banks, and then PPI calculates more so consumer inflation. Got it. So based on yesterday's move, the overall inflation, this is the move we got exactly at 8:30. Today we're getting news, and this is all we got. What have we moved? Maybe almost 50 points, roughly. That's about it. And yesterday we made a whole 300-point move. So yeah, so let's look at some other charts. Let's look at gold. See, I'm glad I got out that gold position. I had a break of the low sell stop right here. Got about 20 points, roughly. 20 pips, excuse me. So we did end up pulling back up. So that was a pretty good move I took. Bitcoin, we managed to get to 22, damn near 8, drop back down to 20,000. Remember, I've said before, I've been saying this for a couple weeks now. I think we're dropping to about 14,000. And I formed this Head and Shoulders about a week ago, maybe more than a week ago. So let's see. I'm curious to see if I'm gonna be right. Gotta wait and see. Wait and see. Keep going. ETH, oil. Dow's dropping as well. Dow, same like the NAS. We're at this support. This is a major support. If we break, again, guys, this is a lot of range to fill. For Dow, it's about 1,300 points. For NAS, I think it's about 600. Maybe about 8. So could be looking for that. Right. 8:45. If we can get a sense of direction so far, I still don't really have a bias. We're doji for the day, if you really look at it. Two things. We're doji for the day, and we're currently at support. Right? So us being at support, we would have to break support to get those sells. And for us to look for buys, I want to see a push up. I want to see a sense of direction. Right now, we don't have that. If I'm looking for a buy, it'd probably be above here. But I would need a closure above. Right? So that's all we're kind of looking for. Shouldn't be too hard today. See the 15 real quick. So we're gonna get a new 15-minute candle in about 5 minutes. Now, if this 15-minute candle can push above, we have a closure above, I would entertain some buys for the last 15-minute candle. So that'll give us one indicator that we're bullish. But again, you would have to have a closure above. $12,100-ish. Excuse me. Let's keep getting this push. I'm gonna play some music today. Y'all feel like listening to some tunes? I don't even think it's anybody in here. Let's play some music today. He was asking yesterday, right? Might as well.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I see you, the way I breathe you in. It's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I see you, there's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up, yeah. And I'll be right here with you till the end. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it.
You ain't sure yet, but I'm for ya. All I could want, all I could wish for. Nights alone that we miss more, and days we save as souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna make more time and give you my whole life. I left my girl, I'm in my Yorker. Hate to leave it, call it torture. Remember when I couldn't hold her? Left her baggage for a mover.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it.
I get the feeling, so I'm sure.
Alright, about to get a new 15-minute candle.
I know you only be ballin' off a pick. I know you only be callin'
Got pictures on lock, orange is the new black. Water spoons on me, I feel like a hippie. I stay on my toes, but I don't got a tippy. Riding on boss and my tires are lippy. I walk in the magic and order a 50. This is a Prezi, no, this ain't no Swiss watch. Riding my cock like she dancing for TikTok. Smoking on gas, I got Zaza and Ziplocs. Found a new plug, told her, oh, wanna kick rocks. Backwards and creep my aroma. From the streets where I got my diploma. Fell asleep while I was rolling on Zans and I feel like I came out of coma. If she tell me that she riding for me, then I know she gon' do what I told her. Itty bitty little ice on your neck, but I know that my necklace colder. Keep good relations, I know me some Haitians. I got a problem, call my Zoza. Never emotional, keep a straight face when I'm playing my cards, I won't fold up. Got a little hoe, put the pussy on back page, getting to the cheese like cottage. She got a little profile, told her send an address, blow the whole thing in narcotics. Keep the backs like badges in NBA 2K, cause it upgrade my ballin'. Whole click looking like dried out toothpaste, everybody staying solid. Get my W's, can't take a loss, I gotta proceed with caution. Everybody know me at the bank, cause I always be walking in, making deposits. I was down bad, eating chicken on Tuesday, same time Pluto made honest. Fucking up a check, spent 100 on a Monday, and I was being modest. Got Gucci socks like they Nikes. If you see me with her and she get quality time, you know she getting pipey. Imagine I try to please all of the people that tell me that they do not like me. I got some big stones inside my ring, turn on the lights just like boxers, they fighting. Everyone count on me, I bring the drugs, I'm the life of the party. Feel like a playboy on my birthday, I got a skeleton cardi. Unlimited credit, catch me on an off day, I still keep a 10 everywhere that I go. Money come steady, I gotta stay ready, avoiding a headache, I stay on my toes. Never showing weakness, spend a lot of nights sleepless. Wish that my problems would go away. Told that little hoe I don't go on dates. They watching my chain and this shit getting tizzy. Keep it all safety, I told them come get it. I got some hitters that's playing they role. Don't play with me, go and play with your hoe. Got a little hoe, put the pussy on back page, getting to the cheese like cottage. She got a little profile, told her send an address, blow the whole thing in narcotics. Keep the backs like badges in NBA 2K, cause it upgrade my ballin'. Whole click looking like dried out toothpaste, everybody staying solid. Get my W's, can't take a loss, I gotta proceed with caution. Everybody know me at the bank, cause I always be walking in, making deposits. I was down bad, eating chicken on Tuesday, same time Pluto made honest. Fucking up a check, spent 100 on a Monday, and I was being modest.
She don't love nobody. I told her I was heartless. She said she just wanna party. She fuck with bosses, boy. Just watch how you be talking.
Got about 9 minutes left, guys. 9 minutes. 9 o'clock is slap. Hopefully we'll look for an entry. That's the point of doing this stream early. I haven't been saying much, but 8:30 we could check news, see what happens. 8:45, hopefully we get a sense of direction. 9 o'clock, we'll get a continuation following news, and so on and so forth. With 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, hopefully we could get runners. So that's the goal. So you wait until 9 o'clock, we'll look for an entry. This 15 is gonna flip. 15 will flip bullish, which leaves the hourly to keep pushing up. Hopefully we can close above. We close above, the next hourly will be in. Next 9 o'clock hourly candle. Let's just get that push.
Keeping it on me, she says she don't love nobody. I told her I was heartless, she says she just wanna party. She fuck with bosses, boy, just watch how you be talking. You know lil' bro gon' spark it. I could be gone by the morning, so I'm keeping it on me. She says she don't love nobody. I told her I was heartless, she says she just wanna party. She fuck with bosses, boy, just watch how you be talking. flow gon' spark it. Hey.
That push. Let's just keep pushing up. Dust to dust.
And let your fucking brain tank snitches. Fuck Marlon Maple bitches with riches who carry 22s up in they hosiery. A black teller when my father bustin' and loaded me. Think he just finished sniffing the key and dipping the D's. Don't hate me. Hey, Nicky Barnes for hitting my mom's letting the condom pop. Nigga, I was born in
Let's get a push. We got 5 more minutes. Let's get this push.
the feds and bust shots at them street cops. Fuck your point is. My point is double fours at your fucking jaws pointed. Hollow point shit. 4.6. Need I say more? Or do you get the point, bitch? Come on. What type of nigga slang and bang in the streets?
Bad
What
boy.
type of nigga stay in the trunk for weeks?
Bad boy.
What type of nigga fly Bentley cool? Bad boy. Aim for the sky, cop the shit, then shoot. Men striking on the floor. Hanging on your horse, second the Christ scientists examining for flaws. Pour the crystal on the way to trial. Rico law got a nigga head hurting, squirting till they pull the curtain. Let the money drip dry. $100 bills wipe the tears from my eyes. No love, fuck y'all niggas. Hope you die slow death as I cold test and see the Loris Tucker protest. Can't fuck with you weak rap niggas, with your gay raps. Running around talking this and talking that. See me in the streets, try to give me that.
It's 4 more minutes.
Ass niggas, my 2 cannons blast niggas, ass niggas. Got me fucked up in the game. Get your shirt stained, keep your 5 mics, nigga, give me the cane. Do the shit to clean my money, dummies. Gleam the wrist out, cop the piss out, nigga, talk shit. What type of nigga slang and bang in the streets?
Bad
What type
boy.
of nigga stay in the trunk for weeks?
Bad
What
boy.
type of nigga fly Bentley cool? Bad boy. Aim for the sky, cop the shit, then shoot. Bling,
Bling bling. It's a bad boy thing.
sinking, street sweeping with an evil grin. Watch you die. One love, one life, one shot. Y'all niggas ain't saying nothing like a mom. Every line I live it, I write it with a pencil, so niggas die lead poison if they bite it. Hate it but recite it. It's a G thing. Me and Puffin St. Bart set it off. Bitches walking topless with G strings. Menage, bust shots at your crew. Another charge as the Gulf Stream fly through the fog. Make you popular. Pockets filled with more high notes than the opera. Franklin's on top of the Jacksons. My nigga Ty, leave you tied. Bad boy, respected or die. Coward.
Coward.
What type of nigga slang and bang in the streets? Bad boy. What type of nigga stay in the trunk for weeks?
Bad boy.
Nigga fly Bentley cool? Bad boy.
Got about 2 more minutes. 2 minutes. If we can get this push, we'll be looking for some entries. The news didn't too much affect NAS. We had normal moves, normal movement. Nothing really too outrageous. Like CPI yesterday. Taking no days off.
Swear I used to wait for. Run through them hundreds a day, what we used to pray for. I know they mad that I change, ain't whipping the same sauce. I know they mad that I change, ain't making the same course. Ain't taking no days off, look. We was just post on that block every day. Need work, I can get you some yay. My little bro be spraying, he ain't for your face. Got caught, he ain't tell on the gang. I know it's some things we did that we shouldn't have, but you wasn't there for us.
All right, 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. It's not looking too good. We're not really getting a closure above, so I doubt we're gonna look for an entry. But let's see how this new hourly is gonna open. Let's see. Here we go. If you do really look at it though, this is support where we are, right? You notice this is support, support, support. To the left, support, support. If we look here, we bounced off 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that means we're respecting this support. And if news didn't push us down, then I don't think we'll be breaking this support today. So I wouldn't mind having buy stops here, but I want more of a bottom wick. At least like a 25-point bottom wick. It's a bit further. If you get a good bottom wick, I will have buy stops. Let's come down. Let's grab some liquidation. Yeah, just keep going. This is good. This is actually very good. I'm gonna have buy stops, guys. That's 12,084. Okay. About to get activated, guys. All right, we are activated. We are in. We have a 20-point stop loss. And then we'll set the targets. This seems pretty good, pretty decent. All right, let's just get a push. Let's delete this. All right. I got slipped a little bit. Dang, I got slipped a lot, actually. Wow. It's kind of annoying. That's very annoying. All right, let's just hope we could get this push. It won't matter. Let's hope we get the push we want. Sucks, man. Sheesh. Getting slipped is not fun at all. At all. Just go ahead, break the highs so we can drive up. Come on. Hopefully we could grab some runners with this move. Almost there. So if we break the highs, we should come up to at least 12,125 to the previous resistance. All right. Ideally, we'll come all the way up to 12,200 roughly. But almost there. Just one more push, and we can move our stop loss to break even. Almost. And just one more push. Let's get it. Break the high. All right, at this point, let's move our stop loss to break even, guys. Make this a risk-free trade. We got pretty much 9 points. We basically kissed it. Basically kissed 10 points. I don't know how much you guys might have grabbed. If it was 9. But because I got slipped, I only took 5 points. That wasn't the best trade, and we hit break even. That was not the best trade, but you were able to get at least 9 points if you were in it. We weren't drawdown for too long, so it's all right. Just took a quick early one. We got a quick little W. It's still early. We should be able to find some more stuff, some more trades at 10 o'clock. All right. So it's not a big deal. Let's change this record. All right. All right, guess it's moving down to create more of a bottom wick. But if you look at the 4 hour, we've got a huge bottom wick. We keep respecting support. This is support as well, where we're pretty much at, right? So I'm assuming, since we're respecting this, we have, move this over so you can see, right? Respecting this area. All these candles respected this area, right? And now we're creating a bottom wick to respect the area again. We should push up. We should be pushing up with volume 930. I'm assuming this 4 hour candle is going to turn bullish and keep going up. Okay. So before anything, let's go ahead and set some targets. Say the top of the previous 4 hour wick could be target 1. These candles here seem about right. I like this. This could be target 2. And our overall targets for the day can be the top of these wicks to the left. All right, so this is what we're looking at. We have 150 points to the overall targets, 100 points to the target 2, 65 points to target 3. So let's see if I'm right. Yo, what up, bro? What's good? What's good? Hope you had a good night, man. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Currently not really looking for a trade. We did take a trade. Took one, what was that, 8:45? Or 9 o'clock, excuse me. But it was a quick little 9-point move. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, it's a little bit more risky than I wanted it to be, but you know, it is what it is. Still got 9 points. PPI news this morning didn't really do anything to the charts. Didn't do anything. Yesterday, you wanted to hear some tunes. I think somebody using my shit right now, honestly.
Really not in the mood right now. Hennessy got me booze right now.
Shout out Lil TJ.
Stack my chips, feeling like I can't lose right now. I see niggas keep playing these games, they must got it confused right now. Straight to the top, there's no never gonna stop when I'm on the floor right now.
Look, before they do it, it don't even matter who's shooting. They getting mad at the movement. You got a problem, what we doing? I saw niggas lost. I saw niggas hate. I thought niggas real. But I know niggas fake. Look, $40 on the waist. If they come out through the chase, then we running from the place. I was scared with every other day. We made a way. We not the same. We never rule. This is big food for the plate. They tell me goes real. I never debate.
I keep a knocker, I ain't tryna play. Niggas be sucking on me like they gay, but let someone run up for me, I'ma spray.
Alright, about to get a new 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens. Yeah, nothing's really gonna happen till 9:30. It's like we're not really getting any moves. There's no movement, not much volume. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You definitely do. Go make you a coffee. I'm about to make one myself, honestly. 9:30. 9:30. We'll be back at it at 9:30. See where NYSC is gonna take us. Let me go make some coffee myself. I'll be right back.
Never will I cheat on you. Never will I keep it greasy. Blowing a bag on you. Do all of that for no reason.
was in the trap, sing by McKnight. Percocet and codeine, please don't take my life. She had a dream with Celine, so I bought it twice. Young nigga make it right back tonight. Girl, you're so cute and your ass is nice. Drinking no phone and I'm shooting dice. Wrist polar bear Klondike, and I'm loving all races. Hell nah, don't discriminate. Drinking on clean, sanitized. Astra sheets with the frog eyes. If I ever call your phone, baby, better believe it's only one time.
Pick up the phone, baby. I know you're home, baby. It's lit. I'm in the zone, baby. Straight up. I just put up a phone, baby.
Never will I cheat on you. Never will I keep it greasy. Blowing a bag on you. Do all of that for no reason. I'ma pull up in Mer 2. Hitting the block and I'm bleeding. Throwing that rollie on you. I like the way you be breathing.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Yeah, circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Everybody sing. How could you come about your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you'd have never heard? I left off like a rapper's dead and bird. A verse for me is like 11 birds. Just did the math, it's like $2,000 every word. I'm on the purge, I beat the church. I killed some niggas and I walked away from it. Then I observed just how you curved and told a nigga that they gotta wait for it. I know you ain't hot demand. I'm ballin' on them pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swam. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram. I'm the man.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Talk, church talk, I can make a brick walk. Up north, down south, bankhead to Rachel walk. Hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward, fuck a fed and his daughter. I'ma rent a compound, I supply the cigarettes and bread. I got a main and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in the lamb so she gon' ride. I see the pain and shot it like brown eyes. I'm at that London with some big thighs. No fries, cheese steaks with the fish size. Then your mama tell you when something on fire, stop driving road. Yeah. I been on the road like a pair of spinners and stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dodge and a demon. Got your broad in the garage eating semen. Every time a nigga go back to the ward, niggas act like they won't start and we leave them on that cement.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
I crush down with your money. 44 times, you won't play. 4 sight. It ain't now. I might down. City wall time with the day. 4 sight. New car, baby.
if you want your Birkin. Oh, baby, you be lying your verses. I be here and say you buying them purses. I can't even lie, you ain't my type, you ain't even know that fine in person. I can guarantee you if you my kind, she got every bag you can imagine. Big house, I can really be bragging. 100,000 in my mouth like what's happening. Not the big cheap tea that's embarrassing. He ain't me, you can keep the comparison. My bitch, probably one of the baddest. Good girl, turn her into a savage. This bitch got a problem in traffic. We can't do it, matching G-Wagon. Low key, I been keeping it classy. Could be really out here doing them nasty. Niggas couldn't even see me in last year. Just started and them niggas in last year. I ain't even tried to and I passed them. Giving looks, I contribute to fashion. Drop a song, I be giving them captions. Stand alone, not your regular rapper. Brand new car is noisy. Come through and it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. Whoa, yeah. None of you guys can flash me, whoa. Matter of fact, none of you guys can hide me, whoa. Post my drip up daily just so they can see, whoa. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear, whoa. I put it dope in the back of the car and I tell her to go. She when she lands, she bring the band, she back on the road. She know how I get when I get in that mode. Ain't fucking with bitches, ain't buying no clothes. Only do shows and make me some songs. Make sure that other shit come and get sold. We fuck with the scribbles cause we play with pose. We play with our money and not with our nose. I used to go to the west to get lost. I just came back from the west with a trophy. I'm on some motion. She said she missed it and sending emojis. No time to kick it on my waist in motion. Can't say I miss you, I don't got emotions. I'm on that back when I step on the flow shit. I'm on that me and the broken Kadoshi. I'm on that back when I stood at the stove shit. Ain't going broke, I'm just back on my old shit. I'm taking drugs, I don't know how to cope it. I know one thing I'm never gonna be hopeless. If you tell them what was said, you were rodent. Drive a new Corvette like it's stolen, yeah. Brand new car is noisy. Come through and it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. Whoa, yeah. None of you guys can flash me, whoa. Matter of fact, none of you guys can hide me, whoa. Post my drip up daily just so they can see, whoa. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Brand new car is noisy. Come through and it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. Whoa, yeah. None of you guys can flash me, whoa. Matter of fact, none of you guys can hide me, whoa. Post my drip up daily just so they can see, whoa. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Whoa.
KJ, what you got going on, man?
Yo, Nick, pass, make it
I got a
slap.
little bitch from the hood, I call her gang, she don't play with that bass shit. I be fucking this NBA nigga bitches, you know I ain't never gonna say shit.
New contract big like I play ball, little boy ain't nothing to play with.
I told her pull up, she told me she can't, her nigga be sharing location. I was riding in the ghost with a ghost gun, seen you out with your kids, so you old one. And my man in the can while you taking out the trash, you gon' pop with the mat like don't run.
Gave her a pill, they all get high, you ever had a foursome. It's too much cash for me to hide, I had to get a little bro some. I fuck around from time to time, I don't show no emotion.
But when he died, he had them racks, he had to make her go for him. I hang with the hitters who train the killers who send all the niggas on slow run. I got me a check and I brought me a cat and I went on the block and they know none. So I hang with all the murderers, I'm paying all the lawyers for the murderers. I'm putting all my last on the murderers. You don't wanna see me with the murderers. Yeah, Rolls Royce swerving, famous bitch curving. Seen you out in traffic, you was looking nervous.
Ran it up on accident, they thought it was on purpose. I know for a fact I'm blasting mine, I never get too worried. 100 racks and 100 still like cursive, I been selling verses.
One time I lied inside my song, I ain't gon' buy no burger. Homicide on my mind when I slide, I ain't tryna see no hearse. He ain't even died by the gun, took a fake pill, nigga died on perks. Sure look perfect. Pussy was worth it, go get us some Percy. My diamond be here like we anniversary. We sticking together, this shit in the cursive. I'm fucking with that girl. I just like the jeweler with baby with 2 anniversary. Go to Atlanta, they cop and call me. Bad little bitches all on me, way too ranked up, ain't no exposure. She wanna go to the mall. Got up and went to the pop up in Louis and saw it and ordered it all. I'm in this bitch with the voice in the hair. These niggas is weddles ain't going this hard. I'm from the P, that's gang. All these niggas know me, I hang with all the murderers. I'm paying all the lawyers for the murderers. I'm putting all my last on the murderers. You don't wanna see me with the murderers.
right. Yes, we back. Sorry that took long. 3 minutes, let's get it. That's a fact. Let's get it. About to get NYSC. Got my coffee. Got my chocolate muffin. Now we ready. Let's get some money. Or let's get it. Here comes volume. Again, I think we're gonna turn bullish. Again, that's my bias. I think we're gonna turn bullish. Due to the 4 hour. Again, you look to the left. We respected this area. I think we're gonna continue respecting it. All right, here's the push. Let's just break above, then we can start looking for some buys. Hopefully at 10, but depending on how it looks, we could maybe look for something at 9:45, but you know, we'll see. I guess not. It's just a fake push. We did break the highs though. But then now we're breaking the lows. They gon' slide every time.
Gotta keep my niggas round me, I can't do the wrong friend. I was knocking down walls, now they closing in. Hopped off the porch and then I hopped inside the Porsche. Ay, fuck being the side nigga, I'ma be the main course. The roads like a young nigga made. I ain't tryna die young, so I gotta ride with one. Stood 10 toes down in my Balenciaga. He ran out on a nigga, that's a shot. Cold-hearted nigga with the block, gotta keep it on me, I wanna die young. I'd rather be judged by 12 than carried by 6. I'ma go post bail, just look at my wrist. Tell me why the legends always gotta die quick. Tryna get my bag, I had to go and make it happen. Me and my dogs, we was buzzing out them bandos. Count out them hundreds, then we throw it in the mattress. Wrap it in plastic and throw it in the attic. I be in the streets, nigga. I stand 10 toes. Any nigga in my situation would've been full. We was trapping out the basement, made it back tenfold. Gotta stay out the way, that's why I'm always on the tenfold. We was fighting fed cases, remember I was 2-0. Nigga was fighting depression, sipping syrup, I was moving slow. I was down below, but still I always kept my head up. Nigga gotta get my bread up, I don't wanna die young. Die young, so I gotta ride with one. Stood 10 toes down in my Balenciaga. He ran out on a nigga, that's a shot.
Shout out.
Cold-hearted nigga with the block.
Blocka.
Gotta keep it on me, I wanna die young. I'd rather
we could break the lows, that'd be great. You know, my bias is bullish, but again, if we could break the lows, we'd be up. We'll be up. How am I trading so far? I was 2 trades going on. All right, so we are pushing down. Let's look at the 15 real quick. We keep breaking, we keep testing this support. We keep testing it. You want to see a closure below for the sales, man. It's assuming we could keep pushing. See, man, we're getting the volume, so let's just push below, get a closure below, and then we'll be set. This is a lot of range to fill, man. Ride with a G-Shock. What are we looking for? Sorry I missed that. I don't know how long ago you wrote that. Right now we need closures, man. We need closures. I don't have really much of a bias, honestly. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily's doji, you feel me? I don't know what's really going on. There's no true sense of direction. I don't know if we're going to be bullish, if we're going to be bearish. I really don't know. Usually I'll have more sense of a direction, especially if there's a news day. You feel me? But today there hasn't been anything. I don't know. We're not really looking for anything, honestly. So we're just waiting. We're literally just waiting. I had these targets above because we were pushing up at one point, and I was assuming we were going to keep pushing up with news, but that didn't happen. So at this point, we're kind of just being patient, man. We're just being patient. So never tried right at open. Let it settle. Facts. Thing is, you can get in right at open, right? That's, there's a lot of volume. But even so, that was the thing. As soon as market opened, I was thinking it was going to turn bullish, right? That's the thing. I was wrong. If I would have got in, I would have took a loss. So exactly, absolutely right. Yeah, let it settle, wait for direction, and then we look for entries. We don't have to force it. That's why I usually wait till 10 o'clock, right? Like by 9:30, NYSE open, volume comes in. We'll get closures above or below, depending on, where price action is. And then we'll look for entries. But even this in itself, like you see this whole area, this is not a trade area. This is not a trade area. This is a consolidation area. So we would want closures above or below to let us know if we're looking for buyers or sells. So playing in here, this is if you want to do the 1 minute, the 5 minute, you could probably look for certain trades, but it's just a bit too risky for me, at least. So I'd rather wait for the closure. It's a good questions, bro. I look for trades every 15 minutes. So every 15 minute closure, I'm looking for a trade. So 9 a.m., 9:15, 9:30. And, I'm iffy on the last 15-minute candle. So 10 a.m., 10:15, 10:30. So I'm looking for all those closures. And I look for when the 10 o'clock candle opens, because that's also the start to a new 4-hour candle. All right? So that weighs pretty heavily to where price is going to move, it being a new 4-hour candle. So yeah, I do wait for 15-minute closures. I wait for 30-minute closures. I'll wait for confirmations on the 30, on the hour, 4-hour, whatever it is. If there's a daily flip, like yesterday, we were looking for that monthly flip, and then we got it. So, But yeah, every 15 minutes, I'm looking for a closure. Gonna get a new 15-minute candle in less than a minute. See that? So we are respecting that support. Let's just see. Let's hope that this 4 hour could close bullish. 4 hour closes bullish. This would be great. This is good, guys. Probably going to come up, fill this wick to the left. If you want to look for entries, I'm sure you could do that. I'm definitely pretty sure we're going to fill it to the left. This is great. This is great. This is very good. This is very good. This is very good. It took a while to kind of start playing out, but it did. All right. So for the 10 o'clock, what we want to see, this is probably going to keep pushing. Probably going to slap target 1, but then we'll pull back. You see how huge this bottom wick is, though? This is crazy. This is 90-point bottom wick. We're going to hope 10 o'clock candle opens, and we can get maybe like a 40, 50-point bottom wick max, and then we'll look for entries for some buys. That could happen at 10. That could maybe happen at 10:15. So we're going to be patient. Going to be patient. This is good. This is good. We'll open with the bottom wick, and then we'll have a buy stop placed at the break of the high. So I'm pretty sure we're breaking the highs now. We're trying to break the highs. So if that happens, we're just going to keep pushing up. For sure. All right. Give me 1 second. I'm back. Take a break for the music. Take a break. Take a break. I'm going to change this up because there's too many confirmations to the left telling us that we're going to remain bullish. Although we're bearish for this 4 hour, even though I did say I want us to push up, you know, that would be ideal. That would be great. But as long as we can get a closure above here, because if you look to the left, we respected this area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a bunch of times, right? So to the right, if we can respect it, then we're going to keep driving up. So I'd want to see a candle similar to this right here. This candle right here. This is what I want to see. We'll come down, create a bottom wick, and then we'll drive up. Okay. So we'll need that closure. We'll get a bottom wick, and then we'll push up. I'm pretty sure it's going to happen. We have a lot of confirmation to the left. We have a lot of range to the left. So if we can get a closure above 1271 or 1270, whatever that is, we're going to be in business for some buys. We'll be in business for some buys. So again, I'll be waiting basically for the candle to look like this. Okay. Capiche? Capiche. This is what we want to see next. Hopefully we can close above, though. Guys, got it? So this is what we're looking for. If we can close above 12,071, we're in business for these buys. If we close below, buys are canceled. All right. Okay. I think we'll be all right, though. I think we're going to be good. Have a lot of faith in this move. See if we could get a double win day. Damn, even on the 5 minute, that support is holding strong. Yeah. Yep. But we're breaking above. Thankfully. This is good. Like I said, just a closure above 12,071. As long as we close above, we're going to be straight. What will probably happen is we're going to come down, create that bottom wick. It'll be down here. But that could happen the first 15 minutes. And then we'll have to wait, maybe look for an entry the second 15 minute. So we're going to be patient and wait for the right entry. If we don't get a bottom wick, then the trade is invalid. If it drives, it drives. Then 10:15, we'll look for an entry. But I think we'll be good. I think we'll be all right. Put way too much sugar in my coffee today. Damn. So again, this trade is going to be based on the 4-hour chart. All right. 4-hour chart. I hope everybody and anybody that's in here, I hope you see what I'm seeing in the market. Hope you kind of understand what I'm talking about. Why a closure above here indicates that we're respecting support and we're going to drive up. It's very simple. Very simple stuff. Got about 5 more minutes left. It's going to be the last 5 minutes of the hour and the 4 hour. So let's see. See how we close. Let's see how we close. So far, let's take a look at this. We are 14 days into September. And we are 8-2 so far for the month. 8-2. And they're halfway through the month. Took 10 trades, 8 wins, 2 losses. Probably gonna end up with about, I'll say like 25 trades for the month. I think that's decent. It's more than enough to start compounding your account. This is good. This is good. It's good because it's showing that we're getting a pullback. Getting a pullback. Pullback is good because when the 10 o'clock candle opens, we want it to pull back. We want it to pull back and create that bottom wick. All right. So we got 2 more minutes left. Just 2 minutes. What's your usual risk reward? Or just go by price action. Okay, so to make that as simple as possible, my go-to risk reward is bare minimum 1-to-1. Bare minimum has to be at least 1-to-1. Okay? That's what I shoot for. Now, again, overall, it kind of bounces against each other because I'm shooting for the 10 pips immediately, regardless, the 10 points. And a lot of times we just come back, break even. So, you know, it is what it is. So even on those trades, sometimes, put it like this, my maximum stop loss that I'll have for a trade is, let's say, 40 points. That's my maximum right now. 40 points. If I can have a reward of up to even 30 points, I'll still be fine with that because at 10 points, I'll take the 10, move my stop loss to break even, and it'll be a risk-free trade at that point. So I don't worry too much about the risk reward. But so you're right, though, about price action. If we get a bottom wick, that's about 60 points, I probably won't enter a trade because that's too much of a stop loss. That would be too much of a risk reward. Too much risk based off the reward. So usually, again, 40 points is like my max. Average, it's like 25 points of a stop loss. And usually our goals are, 40, 50 points, 80 points, 130. So it's a pretty decent risk reward. All right, we get a new candle. We closed above, which is great. Now we want a bottom wick. We want a bottom wick, which we're getting. And yeah, this is amazing. This is actually phenomenal. It's a 20-point bottom wick. All right, I want to have buy stops, guys. That's 12, 1, 15. 12, 1, 25. Let's set this up. Okay. Now it's going down to create a steeper bottom wick. See, as for now, this is a 20-point bottom stop loss. To play it safe, I would keep it for a 25-point stop loss. Because that's what happened the other day. 20 was a bit too close, and then we got stopped out. So this is a 25-point stop loss. See, the reward is roughly the same, 25 points. So, yeah, is that. So it's 1-1. And now if we could get runners and we keep pushing, it'll be a 1 to like 4 or 1 to 3. Okay. So for now, it'll be a 25-point stop loss. 12, 115 is the entry. And yeah, hopefully we can come up and drive us past this minor resistance, and we'll just push to all of our targets. This is good. Looking at the 15, even here we have wick. Hopefully we get another wick and a drive. Okay, so far we're not entered yet. We are not in. Wait, I saw you ask something. So at 10 pips, take partials and move stop loss. I usually take off 50%. It's decent. That's, it is what it is. Everybody has their own risk to reward that they're gonna implement for their account, right? Everybody doesn't have the same money. Some people might be doing 0.10s. Others might be doing a 0.2. Others might be doing 0.04, and they want to take out 0.03. It is what it is. It is what it is. But yes, that's definitely a good idea. We have a bigger stop loss at this point. It's about 30-point stop loss. So say 35-point stop loss. So 12,080 will be our stop loss. But this could be the move. This is amazing. This is good. I want you guys to understand. This is ideally how I always want the trade to kind of look. We're bullish bias. We have a bullish bias currently. We've respected support numerous times. We closed above, which we needed. And now we're getting a big bottom wick. This is the market grabbing liquidation. They're getting rid of orders as well as picking up orders down here. So once it does that, we should hopefully see a strong drive up. Just wants to extend our stop loss. This isn't bad though. This is not bad. 40-point stop loss isn't bad. If you look at the previous 4-hour candle, this wick was 95 points. 95 points before it finally flipped. So with a 40-point wick, it's not too bad. I can live with that. Now if we get to the 50-point area, I might pull pull the buy stops and we'll just look again at 10:15. This could be it. So again, stop loss is going to be, just so everyone's clear, let's say 1270. 12,070. Okay. Excuse me. This could be it. This could be it. Are we going to get an entry? Are we going to get an entry? I'm still not in yet. Still not in. I'm still not in. I'm still not in yet, guys. I might have put it a bit higher on my MT4. Seems like price is a bit off. All right, I believe now I'm in, and I got slipped. I keep getting slipped. This is so annoying. Second time today. Let's have TP for TP target 2. All right, so we're currently in a trade, guys. In a little bit of drawdown, but we're in. In some drawdown currently. This is unfortunate. This really sucks. But you trust your trade. You don't over risk or over leverage. And should be good. Let's just hope we could get this push. Come on, pull back. Currently in some drawdown. All right, come on. Let's make this the push. Let's make this the push. We want to break the highs. We want to break the highs. We break the highs, and we are good to go. I'm sick of getting slipped, though. I got to figure this out. Let's see. Yeah, definitely is playing games, man. Definitely is, for sure. We're going to get the push, though. I'm pretty confident. Pretty confident in this trade. We got 3 minutes. We're going to get a new 15-minute candle. Hopefully this 15-minute can close bullish. That'll really help us out. Two more minutes. Get a new 15. What might happen is it'll open up. We might get in some more drawdown. It'll open up, create another bottom wick, and then push up. But we'll see. We'll see. Ugh, this is ugly. Come on. Don't do it. Let's not hit stop loss, man. Come on. We're never truly in trades this long, man. Usually we'll get that push, that drive, get the volume. But it's not looking like today's that day. New 15-minute. All right, now what? Just keep pushing, keep pushing. Just break the highs. Let's go. Getting back up. Back at break even. Almost. Pretty much at break even. All right. Almost there. Let's go. Let's go. Another pullback. We keep breaking the highs, though. It's happening. Or getting close to it. It's not looking too good now. I don't like how this looks. I'm riding with you. It wants to push. Yes, yes, yes. All right, good looking, my boy. Good looking. We in this. We in this together. It's a little iffy. I mean, we are at resistance here, but volume should push us up. I'm still positively thinking volume's gonna push us up. Got real close. If anybody was in, you could have took out a good, 4 or 5 points when we made it back up, or broke even. But this might be an L day. It's not looking too good, fellas. Not looking good. Come on. Can you keep us in? Let's flip back bullish. Flip back bullish. I would suggest maybe start managing risk at this point, because We're in too much drawdown at this. It's been 20 minutes. We've pretty much been in the trade. Like I've said before, I like being in trades for a few minutes, not this long. Especially being in drawdown this long. It's not it for me. So probably take out partials, maybe take out half, just so that you don't take a bigger loss than you have to. And if we do manage to still push up, you'll have some partials still in. That way you can at least make up for whatever partials you took off in the negative. Still a valid trade. Don't get me wrong. I still think it's a valid trade. I still think 4 hours is going to flip bullish. But again, the 4 hour lasts until 2 p.m. So if it doesn't happen now, it could maybe happen at 11, could happen at 12. You know, I'm not Nostradamus. I don't know these things. I can only try and predict. There we go. All right. We hit stop loss. It sucks. And I still think we're going to push up. But we hit the stop loss. All right. So that is our second trade for the day. Earlier today, we were able to take 10 points. Today, after that, we just took a loss for 45 points. That sucks. Got hit too. Yeah, sorry about that, bro. Sorry about that, man. You win some, you lose some. What can we do? I know around noon my time, NAS likes to make a move. Facts. And you're 2 hours away, right? So what that is, I don't know if you know, but between 2 and 4 p.m., although it's 2 hours, or like that's damn near 3 hours, it's called power hour. It's called power hour. Power hour is when basically, for lack of a better, it's basically when everybody kind of comes back from lunch, like Wall Street people, the big wigs and all those people. They come back from 2 to 3, 2 to 4, and that's when they're back on the charts. That's why there's more volume. So for you, 12 o'clock, there's 2 o'clock here. So yeah. Hey, it's all part of trading, my guy. We'll get it next trade. Facts. Let's change the record. It's all good. We are now 8-3. 8-3. So basically, all that's happening. We talked about it earlier. The previous 4 hour candle had a 95-point wick. Now, our 4 hour candle currently has a 57-point wick. I do think we're gonna push up, but I don't know. Today seems to be a weird day. No true sense of direction. Yes. 8:23 is 10:23 by me. In 5 minutes, we're going to get a new 30-minute candle. Could probably look for an entry with that. Maybe all the CPI news and reports this week is throwing things off whack. Could be. Could very well be. This is, at this point, we're getting a daily bearish flip. So, what does this mean? Because we're back in the range. We're back in the range. We talked about this little range right here. This is not a good trade zone. That's why we were looking for buys, right? So, yeah, I don't know what's going on. Wow. This is kind of crazy. Now, if we can close below like this, if we can close below, we could look for sells in the next 2 minutes. It's a lot of volume driving us down. I don't know why, but at this point, I'm seeing sells. If we can close below, we've got less than 2 minutes. Let's look at the hour. This is the hour, 30 minute. Got 1 more minute left. Just 1 more minute. Thirty seconds. Go ahead. Let's get a push. Push. Got a few seconds left. Let's get a push. Okay. It's not exactly the closure I wanted. But it does seem like lows want to get broken at this point. I guess not. So we respecting it. Coming back up. Hmm. Yeah, pretty much gonna call it a day. We took one loss, took one win. The win wasn't as big as the loss, unfortunately, but we've got like maybe 5 wins for the week at this point, right? Oh no, not 5, but 3, I believe. Yeah. In truth, I kind of saw this pullback coming. But those aren't trades I try to look for on stream. See, it's easy. It's easy. It's just easy. You see patterns, you follow them. We respected it once to the left, respected it twice to the left, 3 times. We closed exactly at the support. Immediately, 30-minute candle opens, starts pushing back up. It's probably going to come up to about right here at least. So this would be opportunity to get in, quick little scalps, you know. We'll hit it again next trade. That is a fact. That is a fact. Tomorrow, we have core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Index, and retail sales, whatever that is. We can look into it more tomorrow. But we will have news. I'll be back again at 8:30 for a fact. We're going to do this again. We are 8-3. Let's see what percentage that is. 63%. 63% win streak. It's not terrible. It's not amazing. But, you know, can't complain. But anywho, give me a song. Give me a song. Anybody is watching, give me a song to play. Let's get an outro song. Give me an outro song. Anybody? Any takers? Anybody want to give me a song to play? I'll find something. Get this push up, man. Came down, created our bottom wick. Is this where the 4 hours gonna flip and turn bullish? Could be interesting, man. Could be interesting. Look out for that, though, guys. For the next few hours until 2 o'clock Eastern time, look out to see if this 4 hour decides to flip bullish. All right, we're gonna play some good Afro beats. Fuck with this song. It's my song right now. All right, but anywho, hope everybody stays blessed, happy, and highly favored. Hope you have a good day. Go tell someone you love them. Go kiss a baby. Go do some good deeds. You feel me? And, okay, topic, Breaking Me, featuring A7S. Since Nas broke my heart today. Yeah. Shit happens, bro. You right. Shit happens. Such is life. Breaking me. All right. So again, be blessed, everybody. Have a good week and a good day. And I'll see you again tomorrow morning, 8:30. Peace. Don't overtrade too.
Call me what you wanna, I'll be what you wanna. I've been here 1,000 times.